This is the HDMI cable. You can use it for your monitor, TV, projector, personal computer, set-top boxes, and DVD. Here's the components. You get a thank you little card. You get the actual HDMI cable. The HDMI cable has a 3,000 plus bend lifespan, durable in tight environments with lots of cable twisting and bending. The cable has a nylon braided jacket, PVC jacket, aluminum magnesium shield, aluminum mylar shield, and ground. It's 99.99 OFC copper conductor. As you can tell, it's tight in the connection. If you like this video, please click like and subscribe.